Are you tired of the manual management of multiple trades, risking errors, and struggling with lot size calculations? Welcome to the PZ TradePad Pro, the ultimate utility for the MetaTrader platform, taking your trading experience to a new level. Imagine simplifying your trading process with proper risk management. With TradePad Pro, placing and managing trades becomes a breeze, even for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly visual interface. This powerful tool automatically sets your desired stop-loss and take-profit levels, either through raw inputs or the convenient drag-and-drop feature. Moreover, it includes automatic break-even, partial closing, and trailing stop functionalities for all open trades. Let the robot handle the heavy lifting, protecting your trades and securing profits when the market moves in your favor. Planning to place orders for the future? Not a problem. TradePad Pro supports pending orders with its intuitive line drag and drop feature. Moreover, you can effortlessly select stop-loss and take-profit levels through drag and drop, enhancing trade management efficiency and flexibility. The TradePad Pro offers 4 lot size calculation modes: balance, equity, free margin, and fixed lot. Choose the one that suits your trading style and risk management procedures best. Whether you trade forex pairs, CFDs, or futures, the TradePad Pro has got you covered. Supporting 2, 3, 4-digit pricing, you can trade a wide range of financial instruments with ease. Ready to revolutionize your trading experience? Discover the ultimate utility for the MetaTrader platform, TradePad Pro. Embrace ease of use, strict risk management principles, and flexible trade management options. Don't miss out on this powerful trading tool. Visit our website at www.point0-trading.com.